Hey guys, today's video is all about your water filter system and the things you can do to have filtered water while you are traveling full-time in your RV. Let's get started. And get back to enjoying life. This video is sponsored by Blue Technology. They have provided us with the product. They have provided us with this product for over a year now. This is the newest and latest and greatest from them, and I wanted you to know that this is a video that is sponsored by Blue Technology, and we are happy to provide this information for you. So we unboxed this thing together. What do you think, Rod?
It's wonderful. Easy.
What about those fittings?
If you're going with garden hose, you're going to want different ones.
Yeah, and you can get those at Home Depot. I'll leave a link down below to which ones I actually bought for my original install. If you're going to go with PEX, it's all set.
Yep. Works like a charm.
Excellent. It's all installed. It's working. We'll give you feedback in a couple of days, but no leaks. We're good. Always bring a friend. So in the box you get the stainless steel housing with filter, and we also got a replacement filter. We have the Teflon tape provided in the box, and we also had the PEX fittings. Now I don't use the PEX fittings because I don't install this on the inside of my rig, so what I did is I got the 1/2-inch fittings to go to garden hose. I got those from Home Depot, and again Teflon tape and 2 of the rings and a garden hose. You splice it, you put it together, and you're now connected. So the best thing about Blue Technology is their filtration system. It's a 0.2 micron system, flow-through technology. It doesn't slow down the flow of water, and it is better than what you'll find on the shelf at the RV supply places that are 5 microns as advertised. This is 0.2 microns. Now, if you're dealing with odors or other problems, look at their filter system and you will be able to pick one that works for you, whether it's sulfur or odors or whether it's certain minerals that you're looking at. If you get a 3-stage system with 3 different filters, you can filter out basically whatever you want, so you have pure clean water. So to get 15% off of your order, use Living Light 15. I think their program is changing, and until that happens and until we let you know, Living Light 15 will give you 15% off. And once this is installed, you can forget about it, because now you're drinking filtered water and everything that is inside your rig is filtered water. And that's what you want. See, some people RV and they don't use a filter at all. Some people have a sediment filter that does just a little bit maybe. Some people have a true micron filter that has specifications to take out the problems, and then others have the double or triple stage so that they can also soften their water. They can also take away odors. They can take away minerals that regular filters won't take out. So you have everything at your disposal if you go to Blue Technology. So go to Blue Technology today, find out what they offer for what you need, and enjoy. One more thing to install is so simple, and to prime it, just run water through it for over 1 minute, and then it's all set to go. That's how you prime it. You just turn it on, pressure it up, let water run through it for a minute, and then connect it to your rig and bleed off any water that's inside your rig like we always do, and you're good to go. It's that simple. we pulled into the campground here in April, and in May another couple pulled into the campground, and they came over and said hi to us, and they said, well, he said, honey, this is the couple. They're the ones that pulled the water from the stream when they were up in the Yukon. Well, yes, that's us. We were using our blue technology, our RV filter, and when the company contacted us and we talked to them next, they said, oh, and if you're gonna do that again, you should have a pre-filter on this. And they're like doing one of these, and we're like, well, we just needed to fill our tank once, so we're good. But yes, if you wanted to fill from a rough stream, there are ways to do a pre-filter and use one of these and still get the best quality out of that stream for your drinking pleasure. Enjoy.